Okay, I got my miter saw out because I need to do some cutting. And this is pretty much what my mock-up is going to be. So as you can see, the angles right here. Boom. This is falling inward to the center. Boom. This is the front of the bike, obviously. That's the rear. This is pretty much what it is. What I'm about to do is cut 3 inches off of this. So it can be a little bit lower. And I'm still going to have enough room to put 2 40 amp hour batteries on this motherfucker. So then I'm going to have my controller and charger underneath this piece. So it's going to be the shit, y'all.